The WhiteWhale token. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys the easiest way you can buy, hold, and sell your WhiteWhale token and how to be in the draw to win the giveaway. We can see here on the official WhiteWhale meme page, Season 1 is still underway, but for Season 2, there's a $250,000 community giveaway campaign. This means if you buy and hold, you'll be able to win all of these prizes. And if you read the official page, you can see it ends on the February 26th. Now, this does not mean that's when the coin will start going down. This just means that if you're buying and holding until this date here, you'll have a chance to win this prize money. Now, what this means is, because of this campaign, this is most likely gonna incentivize all the holders to hold and not sell. That way, ultimately, the price of this will continue going up. And if you want to buy, sell, and trade this token, the easiest way is through Axiom. So if you come over to the link in my bio, hit the Axiom button, hit sign up, enter your email. Make sure to be using the code that's given for extra benefits such as cashback and extra fees off your trades. And you can simply sign in with your Phantom, Google, or your email. So I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. As you can see here, for my trade, we're currently up just about 3 Solana, which is equivalent to 400 USD. And I'm not planning to sell this until maybe around this mark here, around the 400 to 500 million mark. So as you can see, you're still early. So when you're signed up, you'll be brought to this page. This is where you can see all the tokens that are coming out. What you want to do is, if you click Pulse, this is where you can trade your meme coins. I have multiple videos on how to set this up properly using the right filters. But if there's specific tokens that you've seen on Phantom Wallet or you've seen online on TikTok or whatever, come over to the search bar here. Simply just type WhiteWhale. You can see there's multiple here, right? What you want to do is type it out correctly and you'll see that it's most likely the one that's the highest. So this is the correct WhiteWhale 2 months ago. Click on the WhiteWhale and this is it. This is the WhiteWhale. You can use your timer graph here to filter whatever you want, whichever timer you want to see the graph at, whether that be 5 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever you're used to. I like to keep it on like 1 hour. Seems good for a graph that's this big. And if you want to deposit, simply just come over to this where it says 0 Solana, just hit deposit. Go to buy, simply just type in how much Solana you'd like to buy. If it's like 20 Solana, you just hit buy, redirects you to Rampa official paying website, and you can just pay with USD or whatever you wish, your debit card, Revolut, Apple Pay. And when you're in the token, you can click on this little icon which takes you to the official Twitter like I did before. You can join the community. There's a community here, or if you've come from the community, you already know how to do this. You can see that it's linked. You can see everyone's talking about it, what their price predictions are, what's happening, all the memes they're posting. This is where you just trade all your meme coins. Remember to watch all my previous videos if you're just getting into this, and you'll see all the filters that I use on how to filter everything, make it look neat. Thank you guys for watching.